this is Math Zone tutorial. I am here to discuss about the 6 trigonometric functions of an acute angle. I am going to show the best solution in order for us to get the value of each trigonometric functions, the value for sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and the cotangent. Based on the illustration, we have an acute angle laid on the Cartesian plane, and we label it as the angle A. But without a right triangle, we cannot identify the trigonometric functions of this angle. So we need to make a broken line from segment AB perpendicular to segment AC to form right triangle. Using the right triangle, we can easily identify the 6 trigonometric functions of an acute angle. But first, we need to find the value of each side, which are the side BC or side A, the side AB or side C, and the side AC or the side B. Suppose that our reference angle is on the origin, we can easily identify the value of side A and B by counting the number of units. Since side A is from x-axis up to 3, then it is 3 units. And side B is from the origin vertically extended to 4, then B is equal to 4 units. We cannot find the length of side C by simple counting because it is diagonal. But there's a lot of ways on how we find the measure of that side. We can use the slope to find the measure, but since we have the value for A and B, it is better to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. By substituting the value of A and B and simplifying it, we have the value for side C, which is 5 units. Since we have the right triangle and we have the value for each side, we will follow the given formula for the 6 trigonometric functions, which are sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent A is equal to opposite over adjacent, cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse over opposite, secant A is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent, and the cotangent A is equal to adjacent over the opposite. Let's label each side by the opposite, adjacent, or the hypotenuse. Since our reference angle is angle A, then side B is the adjacent side. And side A is the opposite side. And of course, side C is the hypotenuse. Since we have the value for each side, then we can now substitute it from the given formula of the 6 trigonometric functions. Since side A is equal to 3 units, side B is equal to 4 units, and side C is equal to 5 units, then sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite over the hypotenuse is equal to 3 over 5. And the cosecant A is hypotenuse over the opposite. Cosecant A is equal to hypotenuse over the opposite, which is 5 over 3. And the cosine A is equal to adjacent over the hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5. And the secant A is equal to hypotenuse over the adjacent. We have 5 over 4. And tangent A is equal to opposite over the adjacent. We have 3 over 4. Cosine A is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 4 over 5. And secant A is equal to hypotenuse over the adjacent, which is 5 over 4. Tangent A is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is 3 over 4. And the last one is cotangent A, which is equal to adjacent over opposite, which is 4 over 3. And that is how we find the value of the 6 trigonometric functions of an acute angle. I hope you learned something and thank you for watching. That's all. For more information, please visit the link below. I'm Alan Bunga, now signing off.